foggy, but it's still beautiful. We have a 26-minute walk to our Airbnb. I got my luggage, and I'm gonna make Alex carry my luggage up the stairs. We're going over our first bridge, the canals. Wow. Amazing. Okay, we just got here. It's raining and freezing. I can't really see, my glasses are rained on, but it's not crowded. It's amazing. Y'all, we just got here. Oh my gosh. So many stairs. I'm dying. But we got this. Which is pretty cool. Worth it.
Dear Mr. and Mrs. White.
This is what you signed up for. You're white now. like in Letters to Juliet.
Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou Romeo? Something, something, a Romeo.
That's all you got?
Yes. Oh boy.
Alright, here we go.
Do you not just go COVID?
Juliet.
Guess no babies for you.
We came all the way here to rub her breast.
Oh, sorry, I was looking for the intimates.
If we can't have babies, then it's COVID's fault.
So.
Ho lavorato in mia scelta, pensavo il dopo, ce l'avevo qua, l'ho tirata su, si vede che la massa, e qua. Allora adesso comunque ci sono 2 pacchetti di mascherine chirurgiche.
Oh, die kunnen ook op u lopen. Ja. Right.
Alex. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm spending money in here. Y'all, I'm so happy we came here. Boy, was Juliet's house amazing. It literally, I don't think Alex thinks it was amazing. There was nothing to do there. But literally look at her statue. And I think there was a little museum or something, but we didn't go in there. We went in the gift shop and it was amazing. It was like Disney World for me. And then we went to a different gift shop and they had little embroidered heart-shaped pot holders. It's just like so cutesy. I loved it so much. Now we're going to find some pizza and I'm hoping that it's really good pizza because it looks amazing. And that's it. And then we're gonna drive to Lake Como. So, and it stopped raining, so yay. Whoa.
Would you like pepper?
Yes, please.
How was lunch?
Very good. Very lobstery.
And the pizza was amazing.
Yeah.
Dare I say, better than the pizza we had in Venice.
I think that's easy to say.
And we had like 3 different kinds of pizza in Venice, so it's not like we didn't try. This place is really cool. I would love to come back one day. But alas, now we're on to our next stop. And it'll be even more amazing.